Hi folks, today we're out here with my Chinese SKS and we're going to try some Monarch 7.62 by 39 123 grain full metal jacket. This is the lacquer coated stuff. On the box it says we should get a velocity of about 2543. We'll see what we can get out of this SKS. As I say, this is just a Chinese SKS. I'm open-sided shooting. I do have you on a target. I don't know that I'm even going to hit the target. I really haven't messed with this gun. It's brand new to me. So let's go ahead and put you down range and let's get some data on these rounds and see what we think. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our data real quick. Okay, we had an average of speed of 24.54. Our highest was 24.65. Our lowest was 24.45. Makes it an extreme spread of 20 feet per second. Our standard deviation is 7.7. And of course we had 5 shots. That is an excellent deviation and extreme spread on this stuff. As you can see, we're getting a little bit, about 100 feet per second lower than what it says on the box, due to, if we had a little bit longer SKS, a little bit longer barreled SKS, we'd probably be getting those speeds, if not more. But definitely nice inexpensive cartridge that's pretty consistent, it looks like, out of this gun. So, as I say, that was a Monarch Lacquer coated 123 grain full metal jacket. Well, thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. And check back, we'll have a lot more ammo testing on this gun as well as others. So, thanks again for watching.